Right now, satellites 20,000 kilometers above your head know exactly where you are standing, down to a few meters. And they figured it out without asking you a single question. So how does a device in your pocket talk to objects in space and pinpoint your location on a planet this enormous? The answer comes down to one simple idea: time. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and it is run by a constellation of 31 satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites are not cameras, they cannot see you. They do not receive any signal from your phone at all. Instead, they broadcast a continuous radio signal outward in every direction, like a lighthouse beaming light across the sea. Your phone is the one doing all the listening. Each signal carries two pieces of information, a perfect timestamp, and the satellite's exact location in orbit. When your phone receives that signal, it checks its own clock and calculates how long the signal took to arrive. Radio waves travel at the speed of light, about 300,000 kilometers per second. So if the signal took a tiny fraction of a second to reach you, your phone can calculate exactly how far away that satellite is. Think of it like dropping a stone into a still pond and watching the ripple spread outward. You know the ripple travels at a fixed speed, so counting the seconds tells you how far from the stone you are. But distance from one satellite only tells your phone you are somewhere on an enormous sphere surrounding that satellite. You could be anywhere on that sphere, over an ocean, a mountain, a city. Now add a second satellite. Your phone is now on the surface of two overlapping spheres, which narrows your location down to a single circular ring. Add a third satellite, and those three spheres intersect at only 2 points in space. One of those points is usually floating uselessly in outer space, so your phone discards it. The remaining point is you. This technique is called trilateration, like a game of hot and cold played simultaneously with three referees standing miles apart. But there is a catch: your phone's clock is not perfect. Even a tiny timing error turns into a massive distance error at the speed of light. So GPS uses a fourth satellite to cross-check the math and correct the clock automatically. That fourth satellite is the silent proofreader that makes the whole system accurate. The satellites themselves carry atomic clocks so precise they would drift by only 1 second every 300 million years. Even then, Einstein's theory of relativity has to be accounted for. Time actually ticks slightly faster in orbit than on the ground, and engineers correct for this or your GPS would drift by 10 kilometers every single day. So the next time your phone snaps to your location in seconds, remember, it is not magic. It is geometry, atomic clocks, and the speed of light all happening silently above your head. GPS does not find you, it gives you everything you need to find yourself.